Hey there, glitter groupies. This is Angie with Sparkle and Sprinkle here at the shop, and we're going to talk digital stamps. We've gotten lots of emails and phone calls. What are digital stamps? How do I get them? How do I print them? So we're going to go step by step on how do you go from our website all the way to printing them at home, and the different things that digital stamps are, what they can do, and the fact that you can actually use them with the rubber stamps. You don't want to do just the digital or just the rubber. You can actually do both. To give you a couple examples, we have Max. Now Max is our unofficial mascot. He's also Mr. Sparkle and Sprinkle's personal favorite stamp. Now when you order him in a rubber, he's about 2 inches tall, which is great if you're wanting to do, like, say, an A2 card or layer them with something else. But I like to do A7s. We have lots of ladies that like to do square cards. I've used him in a scrapbook page. Our design, he is very, very versatile. Well, with a digital, instead of just being that 2 inch, you can actually make them almost 2 inches, 2 feet tall. So printing them out, you can make him 8.5 by 11, send them to his shop. If you're wanting to do backgrounds, you're wanting to do murals, you're wanting to do mixed media, put them on canvas. There's tons and tons of things that can be done. Also, even if you want to just stick with an A2, Christmas. Some of us have lots and lots of family, so we're having to send tons of Christmas cards out. If you're anything like us, you're sending them last minute. So here again, the digital stamp, you print it, take a quickie glue pen over a couple of the areas, and suddenly you have a gorgeous card. They think you took forever. You really only took a few minutes. Same thing, you can make little ornaments so your tree can be super cute, but it's made from the digitals. Now, some of the things that digital images have, digital images are actually technically a picture. So you would treat them in photo, in Word, in Publisher, in any kind of program you have, you would treat them just like printing a picture. You can make it bigger, smaller, tall, skinny, all those good things. And we'll get there in a minute. But another cool thing is with the digitals, a lot of times you can get multiple colors or even extra things that we don't offer in the rubber. So the brand new A Rose for You stamp this month, this is the color that you see on the card. This is the black and white. So this is what the rubber stamp actually comes out of. This is part of the creation process of a rubber stamps. The black and white is same as what stamping a rubber stamp would be. Then you get the one squiggly and the one same. Well, with the Digi, now you're getting 4 color versions and 2 extra squigglies of this particular one. And then we have bundles. So again, for instance, our Happy Flowers, you get 3 sayings and a 2.5 inch tall flower, which is fabulous. This set is very, very versatile for lots of things. In our digital bundle, you're getting, again, colored in multiple different versions, black and white, and you're also getting the papers. So you can layer the papers together, create a whole entire background, print the one thing, embellish it with flakes, glitter, flocking, even stamp embossing patterns over it, and you're still getting tons of effect. It looks homemade. It's just helping you through the process faster. So now we're going to go to the computer and go from start to finish, from getting it from our website all the way to printing it out. We're going to be using Google Chrome as our web browser because plays well, and that's what we have here in the shop, and Microsoft Word. You can use lots of other programs, but these are the 2 basics that we have found to be the most versatile and what we do have here in the shop.
So here we are on our website, sparkleandsprinkle.net. The first thing you want to do is log into your account. And you can see your order history. We'll go up to the catalog, digital stamps. And this is where you can view all of our digital stamps. If you notice, we have lots of digital stamps, over 20 pages of digital stamps. But for today's demonstration, we're going to go hit the Digi 5000 series. These are a couple of the black and white digital images. They're a single image, and there's a zero cost for these. So you guys can kind of dip your toe into the water and experiment with them. We offer these to our Creative Challenge Facebook page on Facebook, as well as all of our blog hoppers. So you can go and check this out and try it out beforehand. We'll add it to the cart. Check out now. And this process is exactly like every other order you would regularly place on our website. Complete the order. And then you're going to notice this block right here that says preparing for your downloads. You can get your downloads one of two ways. Wait for this to turn blue, or wait for an email that will have the download link in it. Now you can click this download now button, and you're going to see right down here in the bottom that Chrome puts it down here that it's downloading it, letting you know that it's ready. So when it's ready, you can click that link, or you can click your file button. Most computers are automatically set to download into a file called downloads. You'll see it right here, Digi 5000, Cupcake Tier. What we do and suggest all of you guys do is have a file somewhere. This particular one is on our desktop, to where you save all of your digital files to, so that you can find them when you want them. We're going to take this, hold, and then drop into the digital stamps. You're going to open it, and you're going to see, here's our Cupcake Tier right here. So now to open Word, blank document. And this is just like any other Word document, or you would type, like you're going to write a letter to someone. Okay? Now here's where you, up top left, you're going to click Insert on this blue bar up here. Then choose Pictures. Digital Stamps, so you can go Desktop, which is where we have our digital stamp file, and we want to insert the Cupcake Tier. One of the first things you want to do is click this Layout Options button and tell it to go in front of text. And then click off to the side. This way you can move it anywhere you want. Okay? So once you decide where you want it, you now click up here on the Format button, top middle, and you're going to see on the very far right here where there's sizes. You can see right now it's 2.71 inches tall. I'll say I want to make this 4 inches tall. Now I have a 4-inch tall cupcake. You can also click this, then right click, copy, right click again, and click the clipboard. And now I have 2. And once I've figured out where it is that I want, go over here, print. Send it to my printer, and there we go.
So now we have on our 8.5 by 11 paper the different sizes, the 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5 inch. Figure out which one's going to work on my project and go from there. And like I said, these are great for scrapbook pages and mixed media because you can create the different sizes. This is our little mistletoe guy, and he's super, super adorable on the scrapbook page. So enjoy, have fun.